Hi guys, welcome back to the Pedagogy TLS. This is Abdul Ghafoor and you're watching the YouTube channel. Another question related with the APA style, and this is one of the most common question, but they ask in a different way. So, what is APA style? Actually, APA style is the research citation, and it has two types. One is the in-text citation, and another one is the reference citations. So, when we use, any source of information as a reference, like a paragraph or like a piece of, the writing, we have to mention the source as a reference that from where we have taken this information. So what they exactly they want to check that the teacher has the whether the educational background or not, just like they have done their B.Ed or PGC, PGDE, because most of the psychological and theoretical approaches and thesis, they are a part of that one. So they want to check they have the writing skills, they have a complete thesis or not. So the structure I wanted to share with you that how these both uh, we need to use. So the question you have to, you can expect the structure of the or the sequence of the reference in both text citations. That means in the middle of the writing, another one at the end of the book or at the end of the uh, research paper or any document that you have completed, how we exactly want to write. Okay. So in text citation, you can see here, we have to give the reference first, the writer name, the year of the publisher, and we go like this. And direct coding, we can go like this. Okay. So that means that writer is a Smith and he wrote it in 2020 and the page number is 45. For example, this is the piece of information you have taken as a reference. So we use mostly many references. So you should know the sequence that how we write in citation in our piece of writing or anything. So another example you can cite STEM 2018 studied whether the early onset Alzheimer disease is effective. You can see that the page number has been given. That means this information has been mentioned in this page and who said this is the one. Okay. Another we can guide if the writer are more than one, you can see this information. So you should know the sequence of this, that how we write the in-text citation. Another one, let's talk about the journal format of the reference. We use the reference citations. So reference citations has, write the writer's name and then a year of, then we write the understanding what they wrote, then academic praise, the publishers. Okay. So journal article, we have the structure. So you should know that there's a difference between book reference, journal reference, and website reference. Okay. So the author's name, year of publications, name of the article, book, and publisher. Author of the name, year of the publisher, name of the a journal, and publisher. Even you can mention the pages. Now this 56 and 3. So you can see that at the page 56, number 3 shows the volume. So volume, you have to be very careful. Again, website SIMT, J and 2020, how to manage stress effectively and psychological. This is the publisher psychology today. So these are the three different way that you can write the reference for book, for journal, and for website. So you have to be very careful that how what is the structure or sequence of writing reference for book, for journal, and for website. So this information I wanted to share with you. I'm sure this will help you a lot. As you can see here, this is a of the good example that will help you to understand the writing the reference. Okay, like author's name, initials, date of publisher, title of the source, location of the publisher, publisher, and retrieved from URL if there's any link. Okay. So I hope this video will help you a lot to understand. So make sure that you are practicing for both in citation reference as well as book, journal, and website reference. If you have any question related to that, please feel free, drop the comments. We'll be meeting in the next lesson. Till that, stay blessed and take care.